Hello, children. I'm back with something interesting for you all. So, children, today it's story time. I'm going to tell you a very interesting story with an inspiring moral, also with pictures. So, the title of the story is The Lion and the Cows. Once upon a time, there were 4 cows living together in a forest. They used to graze together. They were best friends. Children, they were best friends. Then, children, what happened? One day, a lion saw the cows grazing together. The lion then wanted to eat them. So, what he did? He went to catch them. But when the cows saw the lion, all of them fought with him. So, because of their unity, the lion then ran away. See, he is running. He ran away. Then, what happened? Children, after a few days, the cows began to quarrel among themselves. And because of the quarrel, they got divided and started to graze separately. The lion then saw that the cows are not together anymore. They are not in unity anymore. So what did the lion did? He got a good chance to eat them. So, children, the lion ate all the cows one by one. Oh my God. So, children, what we learned from this story? Yes, we learned that when the cows were in unity, they won. But when the cows got divided, they lose. So, my dear children, the moral of the story is unity is strength. So, children, we should always be in unity. I hope you all enjoyed the story. Thank you, children. See you again. Bye bye.